Hi guys, this is IGCSE O-Level Chemistry, paper 12, June 2015, question 21. The table shows some properties of group 1 metals. So these are metals going from top to bottom of group 1. And here we see the melting point is decreasing down the group. And they're asking the melting point of rubidium. So the melting point of rubidium would be lesser than 63. Hardness, moderately soft, soft, very soft. So this should also be very soft. So softness increases down the group. And reaction with water, steady effervescence, vigorous effervescence, very vigorous effervescence. This should be a strong reaction, a very strong reaction. So we can call it an explosive reaction because reactivity increases down the group. So what are the properties of rubidium? Melts below 63, yes. Very soft, yes. Reacts explosively with water, yes. So this is the correct option. Let's look at the other option. Melts below 63, yes. Very soft, yes. Reacts slowly with water, no. Melts above 181, no. Very soft, yes. Reacts explosively with water, yes. Melts above 181, no. Very soft, yes. Reacts slowly with water, no. Therefore, option A is the correct option for this question. Question 22. In the outline of the periodic table below, some elements are shown as numbers. Which two numbers are metals in the same period? Okay, so 3 would be sodium, 5 is potassium, 6 is calcium, 1 would be, this is group 4, so this is carbon, this is 2 would be nitrogen, 4 would be phosphorus, and 7 would be carbon, silicon, germanium, tin. It should be tin. So the question is, which two numbers are metals in the same period? So metals include sodium, potassium, calcium, and tin. So out of these, the two in the same period are potassium and calcium, which makes option D the correct option for this question. Question 23. Which diagram represents an alloy? A is the structure of a metal. B looks like an no, it does not look like an alloy because there are a lot of atoms of both types. So this is not an alloy. This could be a compound. C has two different atoms, but all joined together in separate groups. So this is not the structure of an alloy as well. D, however, is representative of an alloy because we've got lots of one metal and small quantity of the other in a different size, in a different atomic size. So this is the correct representation of alloy, making option D the correct option for this question. Question 24. Which statement is not correct? Aluminum is used in food containers because of its resistance to corrosion. Yes, that is correct. Aluminum is used in the manufacture of aircraft because of its strength and low density. This is correct as well. Mild steel is used in car bodies because of its strength and low density. No, for its ability to resist corrosion. No, not even for its ability to resist corrosion. Yes, for its ability to resist corrosion. But mild steel does not resist corrosion. Mild steel is used in car bodies because of its strength and okay. It does not have a low density. It has a high, it is strong. It does not have a low density, it is a high density. And as far as resisting corrosion is concerned, I was mixed with stainless steel. Stainless steel resists corrosion, not mild steel. Mild steel will corrode, so that is why it is painted upon. But it does not have a low density, it has a high density, making this option incorrect. Stainless steel is used in chemical plant because of its strength and resistance to corrosion. stainless steel is not used in chemical plants. Mild steel is used in chemical plants. So, but stainless steel, in order to resist corrosion, will be used in chemical plants. So this should be correct. This should be correct as well. Yes, because stainless steel does resist corrosion and chemicals do corrode the container. So stainless steel will not corrode. Hence, its use is correct. Okay, so this makes option C the correct option for this question. Question 25. Which row describes the conditions used to make steel from the iron produced by a blast furnace? So we need calcium oxide lime to eliminate the acidic impurities. Yes. So this eliminates options C and D. We need oxygen. Yes. We do need oxygen. So we continue with both options A and B. And we need heat. Yes, heat is also required in the process. So this eliminates option B and makes option A the correct option for this question. Question 26. Samples of 5 different metals E, F, G, H, and J were reacted with dilute sulfuric acid using the apparatus shown. Okay, so the metal is reacting with the acid and the gas is being collected. The volume of hydrogen gas collected after 1 minute was measured. The results are shown on the bar chart. What is the order of reactivity of metals most reactive first? So the most reactive metal would produce the greatest amount of hydrogen, which would be J, followed by F, followed by H, followed by E, and last comes G. So this is the order of reactivity. Since we are beginning with J, options A and B have been eliminated. J is followed by F. Option D is eliminated. F is followed by H. H is followed by E, and E is followed by G. Therefore, option C is the correct option for this question. Question 27. The diagram shows stages in producing drinking water. In which tank is chlorine added to water? Reservoir, sedimentation tank, filtration tank, antibacterial. Yes, this is where it would be chlorine would be added to water to kill the bacteria. Then we have the storage tank and then we have mains supply. So the correct option for this question is option C. Question 28. Which gas is not present in a sample of clean air? Carbon dioxide is present. It makes up 0.41% of air. Chlorine is not present in pure or clean air. Oxygen comprises of 20% of clean air, and water vapor is also there in a percentage less than 1%. So the only gas that is not present in clean air is chlorine, making option B the correct option for this question. Question 29. Which combination of chemical compounds could be used to produce the fertilizer shown? So we have NPK fertilizers present. So in A, we've got nitrogen, we've got phosphorus, we've got potassium. All three are present. So A should be the answer. Let's look at the other options. In B, we've got nitrogen and phosphorus. Potassium is missing. In C, we've got nitrogen only. Potassium and phosphorus are missing. In D, we've got nitrogen, we've got potassium, and we've got nitrogen again. Phosphorus is missing. So this makes option A the correct option for this question. Question 30. Carbon monoxide is given out from the exhaust of vehicles that burn fossil fuels. Which row shows why carbon monoxide is a pollutant? It is acidic? No, it is neutral. Carbon monoxide is a neutral gas. So this eliminates option C and D. Is it toxic? Yes, it is toxic for humans because if it binds to the hemoglobin, it will not allow oxygen to bind and it would result in people suffocating and dying. So this eliminates option A and makes option B the correct option for this question.